The topic of today's video is how to save embedded videos from any website. Now guys, we've got tons of links in the description of this video. Definitely check those out. And just keep in mind, this is not for purposes of theft or anything like that. Let's say you're doing a promotional video on SaneBox, like over here. What you want to do is go and grab an extension. So you want to go to the top right of the browser and click on this puzzle icon. Then click on Manage Extensions. Then we're going to click into Web Store. It might be a bit different if you are using a different browser like Edge or Chrome. And we're going to search for Fetch V. And just click on that. And when mine says remove from Brave, yours is going to say install. Just click on it, let it install, you're good to go. Now, once it's done installing, we're going to close this window. We're going to go back to our page we were on and click on the puzzle. And I just click on the pin icon so that it can be pinned here. And you'll notice there's already a 1 marked over there. And it's because there's a video right here where this file with the bell is. So let's reload the page so you can see it disappears and then it comes back and you can see the videos playing there. So we just click on this and just play it over here to make sure it's the right thing. And then click on download and there you'll see it'll download and we are just going to save it. Now, one other thing to do is click on settings and just click on autosave, as well as to make sure that you leave this page open when you download until the download is complete. That is about it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to check the links in the description of this video. Tons of awesome stuff in there. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.